To start off the day, I'm going to read the poem, Five Little Pumpkins. And I will read it to you, so you guys just have to listen. And it goes, 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, oh my, it's getting late. The second one said, there are witches in the air. The third one said, but we don't care. The fourth one said, let's run, let's run. The fifth one said, isn't Halloween fun? Then woo went the wind, and out went the light, and the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. So do any of you make jack-o'-lanterns with your families during Halloween?
Yes.
Yes, Nicole,
I do.
how many jack-o'-lanterns do you guys make?
We made 2.
You made 2.
Last Halloween.
Does anyone else make jack-o'-lanterns? Fawn, how many do you make?
We made 5.
5. So it's kind of like the story. You had 5 little pumpkins. Oh, that's really neat. So today we're going to be doing a math lesson on addition sentences. And addition sentences are when you take a number that you already have and you add more to it. So we're going to be using this poem we talked about earlier, the 5 little pumpkins, and making addition sentences with them. But first we need to know our numbers. Can anyone read those numbers to me?
I can.
Stephanie?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Now which one is 1?
The first one.
The first one? And then as a class, can we read these together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. All right. So now we'll start with the addition sentence.
Oh, is it working?
Okay. So the addition sentence, you start with one number, you add a plus sign, you have another number, and then an equal sign. And then you have your answer. So this one is 1 plus 2 equals 3. So can we all say that together as I point to it?
1 plus 2 equals 3.
Which one is the addition sign?
The plus.
The plus. And which one is the equal sign?
The 2 lines.
The lines. So for our activity today, we're going to be each getting an addition sentence. Since we know all of our numbers, we should be able to read this. Can you read this with me?
4 plus 1 equals.
Then we'll be using our gate and our pumpkins to make those addition sentences. So how many do we start out with? 4. So we add 1, 2, 3, 4 pumpkins onto our gate. See that? And then we have the plus sign. So how many do we add? 1. So then we add 1. And how many do we have all together?
5.
Can we count all the pumpkins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good job. And then, since we need to learn to write our addition sentences, you're going to get a blank sheet of paper. So I would go, rewrite the sentence, 4 plus 1 equals, and then, what did we say our answer was, Myra? 5. So I would write 5. And that is my answer. And then I can read this sentence, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay? So now I'm going to pass around a gate and a pumpkin and 2 sentences to you, and then I'll be back around with number sentences, okay?
Pretty cute.
So now that we have our number sentences, what is the first thing we do? Look at our number sentence. And then, what's the first number we have?
0. 0. 2.
So with mine, I have 1. So I put 1 pumpkin on my gate.
But I don't have any.
How do you put 0 on
Should
the
I
gate?
put this circle one?
Mine is 2. And then there's a scared one.
And so then we add a pumpkin. So we have to add.
This one
So
has
how
a
many?
circle face.
Which number? What do we do with the second number?
We put another
We add them.
We add that number of pumpkins to
the gate.
our gate.
I have same one with teachers.
You're wrong.
I still want to flip that upside down.
And then
Not doing it.
what do we
Yes,
do
I
after
am.
we have all of our pumpkins on our
0
gate?
We
plus
We count them.
1, 2, 3,
1,
4.
2.
3, 4. No one's checking.
1, 2.
Good job.
You forgot that
everyone.
one.
I got 2.
That's 0. That means none.
So Emma, we started out with how many pumpkins?
0.
And then we added how many pumpkins?
3,
And so how many do we have now?
4, 3.
Good job. So now, on our long slip of paper, we write our number
Why do
sentence.
we have 2?
So we copy the number
Maybe
sentence
we're trading.
that we have
Same one.
onto our piece of paper.
Where's the right number?
Good job, Patty.
2.
And then we put our answer, right?
Yes.
I wish I had a 2 in mine.
How many do you have, Sam? You started out with how many pumpkins on your gate?
Oh, I thought you were
What is that number?
I was like,
We counted
this
together.
is
What is
like
it?
8. No, it's round.
Good job. And so how many pumpkins do we want at first on our gate?
What is that? I don't even know.
And then how many do we add to it?
Is it a pumpkin bag?
Good. So add your 1 pumpkin. Now can we count those? How many do we have together? Good. Can you make a 4?
Hooray!
All right. Now I'm going to pass you a second number sentence. In this one, you're going to do all by yourself. Okay?
What if I can't? That will help.
We don't say can't, remember?
Can't
Thank
implies
you.
won't. Won't implies not trying.
Won't just come. I think that Miss Anderson just turned a smile on
Equals.
Well, I'm going to put these 2 together because they look like Broham and
All right. Remember, we're doing this all by ourselves.
Can I help him? He's trying.
Is it bad to get
1
better
plus
handwriting on
2
food left hand?
equals. I had 1 pumpkin. Yes.
That is
And then I
bad.
did 1,
4.
2 pumpkins. 1, 2, 3
Good
pumpkins.
job.
Shitty.
This is how it's pumpkin.
Can you show me how you do that?
Yes. We have
The 3
3
totally like.
plus
Probably my handwriting about
1
7th grade.
equals 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job.
Yeah.
I smart.
Jane, can you show me how you did it?
Don't draw my pumpkin!
Who can read their number sentence to the class? Myra, can you read yours?
Sorry. 3 plus 1 equals 4.
Good job.
That's mine.
Oh, so you guys had the same number sentence. Did you come up with the same answer? Good job. Josh, can you read me your number sentence?
Mine said. I made pumpkins. I like to draw it.
Does that help you understand how many are there?
Yeah, 1, 2. So I
It's
2,
supposed to
then
look like
1,
this, Josh.
1. So it's 3. Under 3 more by the equal sign.
Good job. Cameron, can you read yours?
Easy.
1 plus 1 equals 1.
Yeah.
No.
Wrong.
What? If you have 1 on your pumpkin, can someone tell me how to do this? If we have 1 and we add 1 more, how many do we have now?
We have 2.
But my big brother told me times equals 1 still.
Well, this is addition, so we're using